In this video, we are going to show you how to use the Format Painter. So we want our styles to be consistent, especially with our titles. So here we have donor categories. That's the title for the table. Down below, we have our SmartArt graphic. And we have our title here seen for our SmartArt graphics. We want that to look the same as the one that's up there for donor categories. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight the word donor categories. Then we're going to find our Format Painter. Here it is in the clipboard group on the Home tab. We'll click once, and then we'll go down to the donor funds, and we will click on it. And there's the formatting brought across. You'll also notice the Center tab is there and ready to go. So we can click in front, hit tab, and now those two titles are the same. Hope this helps. Bye.